Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got a couple new packs from Roaring Fire. I'm super excited about these. I actually want to make this video to get your suggestions on this. This one is the Firelight, and I think these are currently going for $16.99. And this is the SMolder. The SMolder goes for like 64 bucks. This is a wax canvas. I think this is super cool. Right now I just have some little autos in there, but I want to use this for a new fire bag. All right, so I have a large one and I have a small one. The small one might go into my vehicle. The large one's gonna be like my main one when I want to go make fires and stuff. So you can see the little layout here. They have a fold out little pouch. I kind of wish this was removable. If this was Velcroed in, I thought that'd be cool, so you can actually remove it, but maybe it's a catch-22. It's not good that I want to remove it, but maybe it's better that I can't remove it because it'll get lost. Who knows? But this is just nice, a big mesh bag, because I'm going to put a bunch of fat wood in here, possibly some other things, maybe like a little tube of petroleum jelly cotton balls, things like that. So the fire starters are going to be here, as well as a little bit of tinder, and then I'm going to have a bunch of different implements. I'm going to have the magnesium block, Bic lighter, ferro rods, all kinds of stuff. But I want you guys to give me your opinions on what you think. This also has a little carabiner on the top there as well. And obviously, you could see the knives are in these front straps, but there's also back straps here. So there's two large ones behind, so you can have larger items, and then obviously the four on either side in the front. Anyway, there's just something about the kind of wax canvas that I thought it was just really cool. So we have the nameplate on the front here. All the zippers are YKK zippers. They have these little like shrink wrap rubber pieces on the outside. Just neat. I like it. Low carry handle, although I'll probably never use that. You can attach this to a different bag. I do like the mounting system because that's something I might actually do. I might put this as my fire bag attached to a bigger bag with some tools and stuff. Not sure yet. But yeah, that'll be my main kind of fire kit when I want to go make fire stuff. And then, like I said, the little guy here, this might just be a smaller kit. So we have a zipper pouch, and by the way, I didn't mention it, but there's obviously a zipper pouch on the front there. So a small zipper pouch in the back, maybe for some smaller stuff. And then same deal, we have a big pocket, right? And then two, stretchable straps. So this is a little bit easier. This actually might make a nice EDC pouch for someone out there, but again, I want to focus specifically on fire making stuff. So obviously I have a ton of different types of fire making stuff, but I was just curious if you guys had any specific suggestions on what might be good to put in here. One huge thing, I didn't grab it, I should have grabbed it for this video, but when I talk about fire making with people, I do bring up having a bellow, which essentially looks like a broken off antenna, from your grandmother's car, your 90s, 80s car, but it's a telescoping piece of metal that's hollow. So what you could do is you blow into the end, it doesn't take a lot of force, and you could put the other end down into the embers of your fire, and feeding it with forced oxygen, kind of like a forge or something, really works well, especially when you're having a harder time getting a fire started. Getting on the ground or crouching over something and kind of blowing in there and trying to suck in air, regular oxygen without the smoke, is definitely uncomfortable. And the bellow has a place, I think, in everyone's fire kit. It's awesome. I was going to make a dedicated video on it, but I'm just kind of explaining it now. I believe I've shown it in past videos before, and there's all different types, but I mean, you can get cheap ones. They're about yay long. Like I said, they telescope to about 16 inches or whatever it is. And it changes the entire fire making scene, I'm telling you. Even if you have a fire that's going well, you want to put in a log on there or something, I always grab the bellow, I blow in some fresh air. That forced air just gets it so incredibly hot, it's ridiculous. Especially if you want to quickly bring your coals back up to flame. So just a huge part for fire making kit, at least in my opinion. But anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think. I've always been a huge fan of Roaring Fire. I have a ton of their stuff, mostly for tools. I pack different knives. I have one for multi-tools. It's just great little storage stuff, but I do like the options to grab for different types of gear. And these are awesome to throw in your vehicle. So let me know if you happen to have anything from Roaring Fire, if you've liked it before, but I like pretty much everything across the board. I did see on their website, they do sell this as a set, but I don't think it's a discount. I think it's the same price whether you buy them individually or not. But they do have all kinds of combinations as well. So anyway, I would also look forward to upcoming holiday sales. Just keep that in the back of your mind. Anything you might be looking to buy, the holidays are around the corner, so the sales are coming. So keep your eyes peeled for stuff like that. Anyway, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks in advance for any recommendations for fire making stuff. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Take it easy.